Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. Now the exterior colors are brilliant black, crystal, pearl, and under the hood we've got 3.6 liter V6 engine pair-tune automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our fog lamps. And over at the side, we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our black mirror caps and black door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear, as well as we have our roof rails on top. At the rear, we have our reverse sensor, as well as we have our LED taillights and our Grand Caravan Crew and Flex Fuel badging. We also have our power lift gate, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as with our door lighting, with our slide door opens, as well as we have our power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors, as well as our mirrors are also heated. And over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, our tilt steering wheel, with our information trackpad and hands-free on the left, and our cruise control settings on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our 3 garage door opener points, as well as we have our power doors controls in the center up top, as well as we have much more overhead storage with our own climate control for the passengers in the rear. And as we look at our interior, we have nice black leather, which has a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as the passenger can enjoy that, and the driver can have lumbar support. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 56,571 kilometers on this Dodge Grand Caravan. And as we look ahead, we'll have our touchscreen display, which allows for voice control, phone connectivity, radio control, media control, as well as Sirius XM and an aux in. And down below we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as we have heated seats for both driver and passenger, and a heated steering wheel just for the driver. And underneath we have our cub storage with our 12-volt adapters, as well as our dual cup holders, as well as we have another set of storage which we can keep all of our coins in order to have an organized cabin. As our door slides open for us, we can get into the second row, which has our dual captain chairs, which we can fit 2 passengers in the second row with their very own overhead storage, with their own climate control area, as well as more storage. And the captain chairs make a super easy walkway to get into the third row of seating, which has 3 more seats for passengers with their 60/40 bench seating arrangement they can enjoy, dual cup holders with cubby-hold storage, as well as another cup holder storage with more cubby hold storage. And that is a total of 7 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful caravan, please do not hesitate to contact your professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.